Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TLSols 16x24 semi-auto heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: high efficiency 2000 watt heat press machine with automatic open and slide out base. This advanced heat press machine is designed for both professionals and beginners looking for effortless, safe, and precise transfer work. Equipped with an automatic open feature, it prevents overheating and accidental burns, making operation safer and more convenient. The slide-out base allows easy placement and adjustment of t-shirts, fabrics, and other materials, greatly enhancing work efficiency. Powered by a 2000-watt motor, it heats up quickly and delivers consistent results. The electronic time and temperature control system provides a wide 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit range, allowing for precise adjustments suitable for different materials. Featuring adjustable pressure settings and a lightly glued silicone pad, it ensures uniform pressure across the entire platen, guaranteeing clean, professional quality transfers every time. Built with durable materials and boasting a sleek, modern design, this heat press fits seamlessly into various workshop environments while maintaining a neat, organized appearance. Its beginner-friendly, thoughtfully designed layout makes it an excellent choice for anyone interested in custom printing and DIY projects. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.